Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is smoked haddock fish cakes. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First, let's prepare the fish. And to do this, simply put cold water in a suitably sized saucepan, add the fish pieces, bring up to a very gentle simmer, allow it to cook for 1 minute, then put a lid on the pan, turn off the heat and allow it to stand for 2 to 3 minutes. Then when the fish is cool enough to handle, use a fork, remove any skin or bones left in the fillets and flake into suitably sized pieces. And that's the fish prepared. Next, beat an egg in a small sized bowl. And what's the difference between an egg and a pint of cider in the sunshine? You can beat an egg. Next, we prepare the fish cake mixture. Simply put the potatoes in a suitably sized bowl, add the parsley and spring onion, salt and pepper to taste. Be careful about how much salt you put in, because the fish tends to be a bit salty anyway. When this is done, add the fish and the beaten egg, and then thoroughly mix together. When all the ingredients are thoroughly combined together, divide the mixture into 4 equal parts and using your hands shape into patty shapes. When this is done, give the patties a good dusting in flour on all sides and it's off to a fridge for at least an hour. Then when you're ready to cook, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and a good knob of butter in a suitably sized frying pan. Add the fish cakes and cook on a low heat for 10 minutes aside. It's important you cook these on low heat. You don't want them to burn on the outside and not be cooked on the inside. And when they're nice and golden brown on both sides, simply remove from the pan and serve. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.